Hey, Brad Fowler here, Century 21 Coffee County Realty, introducing you to 4133 Treehaven Place, Antioch, Tennessee. It's about to hit the market this weekend. You got 3 beds, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,100 square feet of living space, nice open loft, custom bookshelf, extra custom storage, custom shoe rack. A lot of upgrades in this house. Crown molding throughout. Lots to see, lots to love. We're within walking distance of Cain Ridge Elementary. This nice new neighborhood. It's been here since I believe about 2020, 2021. So it's fairly new. Lots to see, lots to love. Come on out and check it out. Call me for more info. I am Brad Fowler with Century 21 Coffee County Realty. Let's talk soon.